ready to take your Shiba Inu security to the next level. Today, we're walking you through a crucial step, transferring your SHIB from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano S, ensuring your precious coins are safely stored offline. First, make sure your Ledger Nano S is set up with the latest firmware connected to your computer and open Ledger Live if there's an update available. Follow the prompts to install it. Next, within Ledger Live, navigate to the Manager tab. Here, you need to install the Ethereum app, as SHIB is an ERC20 token. Search for Ethereum and click install. This app allows your ledger to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and manage your SHIB tokens. Now, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger device using the buttons. It should display Ethereum Ready. Back in Ledger Live, under Accounts, create a new Ethereum account. If you don't already have one, this account will be where your SHIB is stored on your ledger. Click into your newly created Ethereum account. You'll see a button labeled Receive. Click this to generate a unique receiving address for your ledger. Carefully verify the address displayed on your computer screen matches the address shown on your Ledger Nano S device. This is super important. Now, head over to your Coinbase account and navigate to your SHIB wallet. Initiate a withdrawal. Paste the Ledger-generated Ethereum address into the recipient address field on Coinbase. Double and triple check that the address is correct before proceeding. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. On Coinbase, you might need to complete two-factor authentication depending on your Coinbase security settings. Finally, back on your ledger, the transaction should appear for verification. Review the details on your ledger screen one last time. If everything looks correct, approve the transaction on your ledger, and that's it. You've successfully transferred your SHIB from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano S. Remember to always do your own research, and this is not financial advice. Welcome to safer Shiba Inu storage.